Oh, hi Ben. Hi Brian.
Hello.
What we are going to do today?
We are going to do a chili, northern style chili dip. You know?
I have never known
Before.
before.
First step, we are going to.
So first we are going to tell you
Okay.
the ingredient.
I know.
Apa? What's it?
Tomato,
Yeah.
Yes, it's a green tomato.
pork,
Chopped pork.
chopped pork, oil,
Oil is
fish sauce,
fish sauce.
and garlic,
Garlic. Onion.
onion,
Dry chili.
dry chili,
Coconut palm sugar.
and what is it, Ben?
It's a coriander and spring onion. You know.
Oh no, I don't know.
You must try it.
Yeah.
So good, huh?
Okay.
Very smell.
Yes. Okay. Let's
Fir-
start it.
Yeah. First of all, we have to ตำใช่ไหมวะ
Yeah.
ต
It's Trump. It's Trump.
Yeah.
just Trump.
ำ
Yeah.
ต
Just Trump. Yeah.
Man.
Put chili
Oh,
in
people
the coke
ำ Put chili in the coke
and some
พริกเพิ่ม
If you want more spicy, you can put chili more. Okay? It's okay. Some curry.
Wow.
นี่คือการปอกเปลือกง่ายๆที่สุด
Brian, what is it?
It's onion
Why you put it in the mosa?
to ตำมันวะ to proud it
Together?
yeah to proud it together then we have to
Is the next step.
yeah
Slice tomato. You know, tomato is very late. Less color is very fresh from the local market, right?
mm-hmm. พัพยาปอก you know
Northern style.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, pop pop.
what is it
The sliced pork.
slice pork
Sliced pork.
minced pork or slice
Minced
pork
minced pork.
minced pork
Minced pork. ปัง
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 ช้อนตะกี้ไปไหนช้อนให้หน่อย
สปูน
Yeah.
อันนี้สเต็ปนี้คือ
This step put the minced pork in the mortar and plow it again together to mix
everything together.
Yeah, everything together.
yes yes
You know.
yeah yeah
See this. Wow, it look yummy.
ทั้งหมดเลยเนาะ
Oh, I have been waiting for a while.
It is take not too long.
How long have you finished?
Maybe just it's not over 10 minutes sir.
Oh yeah. Can I help you?
Sure.
Yes. You can tell me. So,
Okay. Then
Then
to all this
magnify. Then magnify.
with some oil.
And
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 รอให้มันเดือด
and
waiting for the oil to hotter.
this boy.
No, it's just hotter. And then
And
have to put the pork to be ground into the pan.
oh,
ว้าว
wow.
すごい
Good. And stir fry.
เอาเลือกไป
Yeah. When we put this on the pan.
In the end,
Oh.
after we're going to serve
Oh.
it's the last,
The last step.
yeah, it's the last step. อก่อนส่วนต่อไปนี้เดี๋ยวจะนั่งปรุงละ So then we are going to put some sort fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Put as much as you want.
Actually not.
Oh.
We don't want salty. So we don't want salty. So then we add some coconut palm sugar. It's just leave it. And then it's mixed together.
Stir fry. Along.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
It's yummy. It's
Very delicious.
salty,
Right.
a little bit salty and
Oh,
sweet. It's
Sweet. yeah.
Sweet after taste.
Yeah.
อร่อยแล้วใช่ไหมอร่อยแล้วใช่ไหม
Yeah.
ยังอะ
มันเค็มมาก
อ่ะหมดเลย
ชืดเลย
มันจะเค็มไปไหมเนี่ย
ทำไมทางชอบเค็ม
แล้วก็ชิมเองดีกว่า ใช่แล้วเคยกินไหม
ไม่เคยเลย
จริงเหรอ
เคยเห็นแต่อยู่ในตลาด
Add more. It's not too much. แต่ในตลาดจะแดงแบบนี้เพราะว่าเขาใส่กะปิมันเลยฮะใส่กะปิด้วยมันจะมีกลิ่นกะปิแต่เราไม่ชอบกินกะปิเราก็ไม่ใส่กะปิว้าว
I'm so hungry ไล่มะนาว
What is it? So hungry, like Manao.
hungry like now
Oh, yeah.
come come on run
Come to see. Yeah.
You come to see.
wow
Is it finished?
Yes. Bye bye.
I do it by myself all step
จะใส่ถ้วยใสหรือว่าใส่ถ้วย
Can you touch me
ช่วยขาวดีกว่า Yeah, step. And put it in the bowl.
น่ากินมากเลยอ่ะสตุกยามี
and yum yum
Yummy and yum yum. Yum yum is บะหมี่กึ่งสำเร็จรูป
so
Last step.
And last step. Yeah. Put it.
put it on yeah
Ben.
oh
Oh. Yeah.
จะใส่กระเทียมชีใส่หอมด้วย
It look good.
it look good
yes ไปแล้ว
oh just finished
Wow.
it's easy step
Yeah.
when you watching this video you can do it follow this step in video
Yeah.
is okay
enjoy your meal
yeah I
Yeah.
enjoy together with my friend and you do it by
By
yourself
yourself. Yay!
Yeah.
I can't do it. You can't do it.
yeah
Just do it, Nike.
Nike
Bye bye.